Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Simply Earth. This is a monthly essential oil recipe box, and this is the box for July, which has a theme of energy. So you always get stickers for all the items that you're making and for the tops of the essential oils. You also receive several recipe cards with on the back they have various other information. So the first one is a summer morning roll-on that has an energy blend and lemongrass essential oils. On the back of that recipe card is a note from Katie, which is the recipe formulator for Simply Earth. The next recipe is Fresh Vibes Aromatherapy Inhaler. I like the inhalers, those are pretty good. And then there's information on how to get $50 off your next box. I do have a promo code below that gets you a gift card, so check out the description box for that. Then we have a Harmony Diffuser Blend. Sneak peek at next month's box. They do tell you what the next month's essential oils will be and some of the other things that you can have in your home to go with those recipes. Next we have At Home Hot Stone Massage Oil. Again, using that energy blend, which I'm curious to see what's in there. We'll check that out in a moment. And here we go. Here's my favorite card. Packed with information, all the essential oils you're getting, the uses for it, the general safety. Then we have Reset Bath Melt. On the back of that card talks about how they donate 13% of proceeds to a anti-human trafficking charity. This month it goes to Call to Freedom. Just super cool that they do that. And the last card is Peace Floating Candle. That sounds fun. And the recipe continues on the back of that one. So let's take a look at all the extras in here. We have some floating wicks. I think this is the stone for the stone massage. It feels very heavy. If I can get the bag open. Yep, it's a nice flat stone. Then we have one of the inhalers for the inhaler recipe. Anything else you need, like the oils, that comes with your big bonus box, which is sent every 6 months. That has a bunch of different containers and coconut oil, stuff like that. So here's sage, that's one of our essential oils. Also have lemongrass and cinnamon leaf. And the last one, which is the energy blend. That one has eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint essential oils. Very nice. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, check out all the details in the description box. And I do have a playlist. I've been getting boxes for quite some time. If you want to see past boxes, you can check out that on my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.